So today we are playing Eat Same Color Food Challenge. So we eat the same color, I guess. Whatever we see. I don't have Roblox today, so I can't accept all of these anything right now. Okay, I'm gonna select team. Away. Okay, so what's the deal over here? Do I gotta pick a card? Or these are all fancy cards? I'm not picking up a fancy card, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna eat everything that's red. Go to the supermarket. Look at this, such a Barbie supermarket. Okay, so yeah, I see a lot of red things over here. This is red. People are buying crazy. I feel like I'm buying less stuff. I don't know. Okay, so I did get all of these things. Like in red. Okay, I think I need to hurry up this time. I only have 1 minute or something, I guess. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's go to the kitchen. La 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 la. Look at that. Nobody, well, the girl whose name nobody has bought a lot of things. I'm not calling her nobody, okay? Here's the red truck. So, now we're gonna make food. Why isn't my food being made? Oops, down. Okay, hold on. So that's what I did. Okay, and eat the red food. Okay, I wonder what the ingredients are, if I can see them. Maybe I'm not doing it right. I haven't eaten anything right. 25 seconds left. We can still make food. What do I put now? I am so lost. But hey, okay, in 12 seconds I don't think I can get anything else. So let's just sit down. Being in the red team, wearing red. So winner is pink team. Yeah, sure, dance in front of us. Look at that. things. Think purple. Okay. Anything that's purple, you pick up and don't even give it a second thought. This isn't purple, right? Get out of my way, yellow. Ugh. I love the little boxes that come. Okay, what else is there? None of this is purple. Okay, I am stressing out right now. Maybe this is... Okay, that was purple. Good going. Me to myself, good going. We need something purple from here as well. Okay, you know what? This localization of this isn't that great, so I don't know which one I'm buying. Whoa, check out all of these girls. They're like buying everything. Doritos. I don't purple Doritos over here. I also got all ingredients. Okay. Last time, let's last thing. I think that's good enough. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, whoa. All the girls are getting everything. I think they just click buy and the color that you are supposed to get is the one that you get. I don't know. Hey, we're on the same team. Whoa, look at your ingredients. Look at mine. You know what? I'm actually saving. That's the reason why I bought so less ingredients. Time to go eat. I think no one is here to eat, just me, okay? 56 seconds are left. Let's go. Making food. I love the purple color of this. Everything is purple and we have so many ingredients. So it's like making food in purple world. So much food to make. All this food making. No, again, pink team is a winner. Oh well. Always the pink team, isn't it? Maybe it's because of Barbie world. Everything is pink. Okay. So it was fun playing. I like the fun play of this. Okay. Maybe we're gonna go to another round. I'm not sure. Hey, no one is joining this blue team with me. So many options. So it is a sushi bar. Okay, it's like loading on my part right now. Blue card. Okay, everything is blue for you. I love these colors. Okay, don't get distracted. Focus. And get your blue things. Press buy, only your color is like picked. That's a thing that's coming in. Love you all, get out of the way, please. I don't stand in your way, you shouldn't stand in my way. Roblox players, including me. Hello. I think I this time. I've earned so much cash. I don't think I'm gonna be able to win this alone. Whatever you later, that's cool. Just pick it up and don't even think about it. Even if it's uncooked fish or uncooked steak or a mushroom, whatever it is. Okay, look at this. My cart isn't doing so bad, is it? And all the blue drinks I can get. Okay, no, one black team is already winning. Need to go and eat. Hello. Need to go and eat. To my station. Here we go. Great. Now that we put it all down, we make the food and we eat it. Yeah, that's always fast. I'm so freaking. Oh, there's someone else on my team. That's great. There's the food that I'm making. Look at that. All of the blue sushi. Here, I need to eat something, right? Whoa, there's the black team. 52 sushis. That's crazy. I think I need to do faster. Okay, I am making food. I'm just climbing on top of the kitchen right now. Whoa. Who's gonna eat all of these sushis? Come on, you eat them. Nickname of 165. Oh great, I think we have 14 and we lost. Obviously black team won.